A concert that was meant to be an unforgettable night of entertainment has now turned into a legal battle involving legendary singer Donny Osmond. A woman who attended one of his Las Vegas shows has filed a lawsuit claiming she suffered serious injuries during the performance after being struck by a large inflatable ball that was launched into the crowd. The incident has raised questions about concert safety and whether certain stage effects used during live performances could put fans at risk. Hello everyone, and welcome to Newzly News, the channel where we break down the latest celebrity headlines, entertainment controversies, and major stories from the world of music and show business. If you want to stay updated on the biggest developments involving famous performers and live events, make sure to watch until the end. The lawsuit was filed in the Clark County District Court in Nevada by a woman named Joanne Julkowski. According to the legal complaint, she attended Donny Osmond's show at Harrah's Las Vegas during his ongoing residency. The concert took place in February 2024, but the lawsuit itself was officially filed on February 10, 2026. In the court documents, Julkowski claims that during the show, one of several illuminated inflatable balls used as part of the performance was thrown or propelled into the audience. She alleges that one of these objects suddenly struck her in the back of the head with significant force. Her legal team argues that the impact caused serious injuries, particularly to her right eye. According to the lawsuit, she suffered a traumatic retinal injury that led to a retinal detachment. Because of the severity of the injury, she reportedly required surgical treatment and has experienced ongoing vision problems since the incident. In addition to the eye injury, the complaint also states that she suffered head and neck injuries that required medical attention. The lawsuit claims that the entertainment elements used in the show created a dangerous situation for audience members. According to her lawyers, the decision to launch large illuminated balls into a crowd placed spectators at unnecessary risk. In a statement provided by her legal team, they argued that prioritizing entertainment over safety can lead to preventable injuries. They claimed the performers and venue should have carefully considered the potential dangers before including such props in the show. The lawsuit also names the venue itself as a defendant. Julkowski's attorneys argue that the concert location had a responsibility to ensure the event space remained safe for attendees. According to the lawsuit, the venue had a duty to properly evaluate any potential hazards created by stage effects, props, or special elements used during the performance. The filing states that this duty included assessing the risks of using oversized illuminated balls in the show, coordinating safety procedures with performers, monitoring how the props were used during the performance, and providing adequate warnings or safeguards to prevent injuries. The lawsuit further claims that these responsibilities were not fulfilled properly. As a result, the legal complaint accuses both the venue and Donny Osmond of negligence related to the incident. In addition to the physical injuries described in the filing, Julkowski also claims the event caused significant emotional distress. Her legal team says she has experienced anxiety, fear, and psychological trauma following the incident. The lawsuit states that the accident has affected her daily life, causing ongoing pain, limitations in activities, and a loss of enjoyment in life. According to the complaint, the inflatable orbs used in the performance were specifically designed to be thrown or released into the crowd while glowing with different colors. While they may have been intended as a fun and interactive part of the show, the lawsuit argues that when thrown with force, they could potentially injure audience members. The plaintiff is seeking $15,000 in damages, as well as additional punitive damages that have not yet been specified. Punitive damages are often requested in lawsuits to punish alleged negligence and discourage similar actions in the future. Representatives for Donny Osmond and the Las Vegas venue have been contacted by media outlets for comment, but at the time the report was published, no official response had been publicly released. Interestingly, the use of these illuminated balls had previously been discussed by Osmond himself in interviews. During a 2023 appearance on the podcast Just Trish, the performer explained how the props were incorporated into the show. He described the technology behind the orbs, explaining that they were programmed to change colors in coordination with choreography and music during the performance. According to him, there were around 24 of these illuminated spheres used during the show, some placed around the arena and others handled by dancers on stage. Osmond also said that the performers would spin and release the glowing balls during certain moments of the choreography, creating a visual effect where the colors changed when the dancers let go and shifted again when they caught them. The singer described the feature as a creative innovation in stage design. He suggested that the interactive element added something unique to the performance experience for the audience. The Las Vegas residency, where the incident allegedly occurred, has been a major part of Osmond's career in recent years. The long-running show began in 2021 and quickly became one of the popular entertainment attractions along the famous Las Vegas Strip. In a previous interview, Osmond spoke enthusiastically about performing in Las Vegas, often described as the entertainment capital of the world. He explained that having a long-term show in such a famous location was a major milestone in his career. The residency has been successful enough that it has already been extended multiple times and is currently scheduled to continue through December 2026. For many performers, Las Vegas residencies provide a stable platform to perform regularly while attracting audiences from around the world. However, incidents involving stage props or audience interaction can sometimes lead to legal complications, particularly when injuries are alleged. Concerts and live shows often involve complex technical effects designed to create memorable experiences, but those effects also require careful safety planning. The outcome of this lawsuit will likely depend on several factors, including whether the court determines that the performers or venue failed to take reasonable precautions to protect audience members. Legal experts often note that negligence cases involving entertainment events must consider whether the risks involved were foreseeable and whether proper safety measures were implemented. For now, the case remains in its early stages, and it is unclear how the legal proceedings will unfold. The court will eventually review evidence, witness statements, and expert opinions to determine whether any party is responsible for the injuries described in the complaint. Meanwhile, Donny Osmond's Las Vegas show continues to be a popular attraction, drawing fans who want to see the legendary entertainer perform live. As this legal situation develops, it may also spark broader conversations about safety standards for interactive elements used in concerts and large live performances. And that's the latest update on this developing story involving Donny Osmond and the lawsuit connected to his Las Vegas residency show. Thank you for watching Newzly News. If you want to stay informed about the latest celebrity news, entertainment controversies, and major stories from the world of music and show business, make sure to check out our other videos and stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next one.